We're talking about when I teach yoga classes. That if somebody farts, I have to just allow it. I'm not allowed to. I can't call attention to it. I'm not allowed to acknowledge it. I just have to allow it. I just have to just. It's happened, and this woman.
We should just normalize it.
It's not that it's not normal though. That's the thing. Like nobody brought attention to it. I'm the one.
That's the problem. Normalizing it. Farts are funny, and people should laugh. And if they're the farter, they should get the trophy.
Well, the thing is that
praised for it.
But if you're laughing during class, then you're taking attention of class. You know what I mean?
Somebody farts during class. They should not feel shame.
Nobody's shaming you though.
By not laughing at your fart, they're almost shaming you because farts are funny.
Farts are funny.
The fact that they're ignoring it is rude and disrespectful.
Is it? If someone ignores your fart?
Yeah, that's rude and it's unappreciative.
You feel shame if someone ignores your fart.
Yeah.
You feel proud of yourself when you fart.
People should acknowledge and praise you.
You're not ashamed of it.
You should not be ashamed of it because we're going to normalize it. And the people that are quiet and don't recognize that somebody had the courage to fart in public.
You know, it slips.
It's courageous. It's the courageous people that fart in public, not the people that are cowards.
No.
Cowards!
Cowards clench.